Making ends meet all day. We are going to be highlighting different ways to help you save money and reduce debt. And as our Megan Thompson shows us, that can be as simple as the way we are driving. This is a fascinating story.
Yeah, I'm educating some folks right here in our newsroom, including myself. It's called Hypermiling, and it's not just a safe option. It can also help you cut down your gas budget big time.
I was a little kid. There was a gas station across from my grandma and grandpa's house. It was 18 cents a gallon. And then in the 70s, 74, I think, was the big crunch year when we thought the world was going to end because gas went to 78, 82 cents a gallon.
Glen Hayward taking us on a road trip down memory lane, one that would now cost us more than $4 a gallon.
Unfortunately, you know, the public is feeling the pinch.
Glen owns Good Works Auto Repair in Tempe and has spent nearly 50 years watching the price per gallon rise while drivers' bad behavior accelerates with it.
People are driving 75, 80, 90 miles an hour literally on our freeways. Those behaviors are costing you a lot of money.
So Glenn letting us in on a technique he often does when driving out on our valley roads called hypermiling, meaning you're using your car as efficiently as you can to ensure it's getting proper fuel economy, which can save you 10 to 20% at the gas station.
You know, passing people with the pedal all the way to the floor when it's not really necessary. You can slowly pass. Some of them have freeways that are 4, 5, 6 lanes wide, so you're, just doing it to show off or pass the guy's really going slow and he's annoying you or things like that.
Commuter cars aren't built to go from 0 to 60 or to top speeds well above the posted limit. And in the end, it's just costing you more money in vehicle maintenance and in fueling up.
They'll become more aware of what they're doing and see what it's really costing them. They could be spending $30, $40, $50 a week more in fuel than they really need to.
According to Insurified, 2021 data finds the most popular car in Arizona is a Honda Civic. They hold approximately 12 gallons of gas, which will cost you about $55 to fill up. A 20% fuel savings with hypermiling could mean just over $11 in savings every time you need to get gas.
Glenn also says hypermiling includes cleaning out your car. You're wasting fuel if you're driving around with junk in the back. It's just dead weight. And as you're heading out, plan a route that makes sense when hitting the grocery store, picking the kids up, and running any other errands to get the most out of your tank.
Excellent.